Linking two tasks in Microsoft Project creates a dependency between them, ensuring that one task is scheduled relative to another. Here's how to link two tasks. Open your project. Start Microsoft Project. Open the project file containing the tasks you wish to link. Enter your tasks. Add tasks. Ensure that you have tasks entered in the task name column. Each task should have a unique task ID. Select the tasks to link. Choose tasks. Click on the row number of the first task you want to link. To select the second task, hold down the Control key and click on its row number. Both tasks should now be highlighted. Link the tasks. Use the Link button. With the task selected, go to the Tasks tab in the ribbon. Click the Link Tasks button in the Schedule group. This creates a Finish to Start dependency, where the second task cannot start until the first task is completed. Modify dependencies. Adjust link type. If you need a different type of dependency, double-click the link line between tasks in the Gantt chart view. In the Task Dependency dialog box, you can select different dependency types and adjust lag or lead times. Review the Gantt chart. Visual confirmation. Check the Gantt chart view to see the arrows representing the link between tasks, indicating their dependency.